Hi, fifth grade. We're going to do a really quick review of some long division. Right here we have 45 divided by 2. Start this off. Remember our steps. Our steps are divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. So let's start it off. So our first one, we need to divide 2 into 4. 2 goes into 4 2 times. Then we multiply. 2 times 2 is 4. We subtract, we get 0. Then we bring down to 5. And 2 goes into 5. How many times? Well, that would be twice again. 2 times 2 is 4. So multiply. Then we subtract, and we're left with 1. There's nothing else to bring down. So our answer here is 22 with a remainder of 1. Let's try another one. And this one is 73 divided by 3. To figure this out, remember we have to have our steps. We have divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. All right, so start off with divide. 3 goes into 7. How many times? We're going to say twice, because 2 times 3, see that's our second step, is multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. And we subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. We bring down the 3. We have a 13. Now we have to do it all over again. So we're at repeat. We went back up to the top for division. 3 goes into 13 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. That's our multiplication step. And then we subtract, and we're left with 1. 13 minus 12 is 1. So there's nothing else to bring down. We need to stop there. And our remainder is 1 again. So 73 divided by 3 is 24 with a remainder of 1. All right, one more warm-up problem, then I'll tell you what to work on. This one is 64 divided by 4. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make sure we follow our steps of divide, subtract, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. So we start with divide. 4 goes into 6 1 time. We multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. We subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. We bring down 4. So now we have 24. So 4 goes into 24 how many times? Because we repeat now. We're in divide. So 4 goes into 24 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. That's our multiplication step. And our next step is subtract. 24 minus 24 is 0. There's nothing to bring down. So we are done. And we have nothing, no remainders. So 64 divided by 4 equals 16. All right, guys, we have a few problems that you can click on. And when you're finished, I want you to have a great weekend. Upload the problems to me when you're done, and then have a great weekend. All right, guys, see you on Monday. Bye-bye.